Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about sequence. Today we are going to learn about set operator in Oracle. So set operator, what it does, it allows to combine two or more queries actually. Basically, set operator is of four types: union, union all, minus, and intersection. Okay. So today we will be learning about union and union all. To learn these two things, I have created two tables, Facebook and Google. As you can see here, we have three data in Facebook and three data in Google. So this is the table, first table and second table. So we'll be using union on both the tables and then union all on both the tables, and we'll see the differences and the examples of both the things. Okay, so before jumping to the example, let me tell you that when we are combining two queries, be sure that we will have the same data type query, same data type column in both the tables. Okay, if we are taking first name, so first name of Facebook should be same data type as having first name of Google. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. Let's jump to SQL workshop and see the examples. That will be better for you for the understanding actually. So as you can see, I have selected do select star from Google, and we have this data. Okay, so three data are there we have, and let's do select star from Facebook, and we have these many data. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use union in both the table. So I'll do select first name comma last name from Facebook. Okay, and I'm copying the same thing and pasting it here, same as we have same data name. So we'll take the same thing and we'll take table as Google, and what we will do, we'll use here union. Okay, so when we'll be using union and we'll do select star select and I'll be running this query, we'll get something like this. So as you can see, we have 5 rows: John, Mark, Stanley, Sundar, and Tom. Actually what union is doing here, union is removing duplicate data. What duplicate data means, let me do select star from Facebook first. As you can see here, we have Mark Zuckerberg, John Miller, and Tom Cruise. Okay, so Tom Cruise is the last row we have in Facebook table. And do select star from Google. So as you can see, we have Sundar Pichai, Stanley Amos, and Tom Cruise. So Tom Cruise is common in both the tables. Okay, so when we will be doing union and we'll be combining both the query, we'll get 5 rows actually. The Tom Cruise is there in both the table, but duplicate data is not getting, we are not getting duplicate data. So for that purpose, I mean, there we have only get first one data from one of the table. Okay, so Tom Cruise is, we are getting only one time, but when we'll be using union all, we'll be getting duplicate data as well. Let me run this query, and show the output here. So as you can see, we have total 6 rows returned, and here we are getting Tom Cruise, and again we are getting Tom Cruise. So this is the difference actually in union and union all, and this is an example for both the things. Okay, so when we use union all, we get duplicate value, and when we use union, we can never get duplicate value actually. Okay, so this is what the union and union all is. Okay, hope the example and concept is clear to you. And one more thing I want to tell you, suppose you have selected first name and last name from Facebook, and you are doing something like this, select first name from Google, you're not selecting any value at the second place, so you'll get the error. At that situation you'll get the error. You cannot do, you can, whatever number of columns you're writing here, you have to write the same number of columns here. If here 2 columns, then you have to write 2 columns. If here 3 columns, you have to write 3 columns. If here 1 column, you can write 1 column and then run the query. As you can see, when I have written 1 column, we are getting the output properly. So this is how union and union all work. And data type of both the columns should be same. Suppose you have written here first name comma last name, and here instead of first name comma last name, what you are writing number 2, and we'll run this query. As this is number data type and this is varchar data type, we'll again get error. See, expression must have same data type in corresponding expression. So we should have same data type at both the places actually. So when we are writing something like this, same data type column should have here. Okay, if I'll write in the string, we'll get the value actually, because it has converted to a string type, varchar type. So as you can see, we have data is coming properly. Okay, so this is how union and union all works. Hope the concept and example is clear to you. For any confusion, any doubt, let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and share, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Thanks.